kuigwa jakiarirwa jagisheria tujothie buruke na bomba kuwata.
Okay. Now, first of all, idwarimbi tukwirigira bibia karikanarwa.
Pre-trial conference nira nandi kumarira IBC declare winner uga president elect is William Samoei Ruto. Within 7 days nugatero ro kuigwa tanganirwa agetaga kira nandira ita petition kana mairiria jaku nandi presidential petition can only be filed kana ikairwa Supreme Court uti court ingiumba kuthikira. So kayo within 7 days ku file. So wa file on the 7th day noja want kuimwe ya ku make sure respondents ba kwa served. Respondents nabo bakayo want kuinya cha kuchokia. Then from there within another 1 day irona ndiba bangi baeja wakanyaga kuchokia kairi itakwa rejoinder. Nandi kuchokia ke petition babangi bachoka yana gintu gitwa replying affidavit kana affidavit ibo kona chigera all over mitandao na anga cheche bukati. So ge petition kutha kuna petitioner kana oroku ogwitia mairiria na respondents
na mwana mturodhi
tangite so in this case omba kutha Raila Odinga na kirita petition webo kwenda bamuchokeria so kaithira ko kuga renda certain commissioners bachokia ko kwenda IBC as a commission ichokia ko kwenda deputy president kana president elect achokia o kila mtu na kwenda ura akwenda achokia so na ndogo wita wa served ntunandi service within that 1 day ko barabona batumbo gukinyira na ndiba mukona bari kira newspaper. So the minute we are notified that we respondent, irona ndi wita ukakira replying affidavit, ukachwa wakili, akachokia machokio jara within the shortest period time, ewe ntukwe mwe ubo ejawa. In this case, babangi ba ejawa response to be filed and served within 4 days. Ba ejawa ntukwe nyacha ku serve, kena babangi na bombo chokia. Baba ekira machokio, nandi kawaida ge sheria no ejawa kanyaga kuchokia kairi. Kutumeta further supporting affidavit nontoge file petition kwa kuna supporting affidavit nande ukachokia kaire kibi byachokwa for example bira president elect araugire bana bo bagachokia father bagachokia nande ibyo biurona bagikregoro then from there kwa kuna opportunity interlocutory applications filed and served babange nabo bakongera intobira bakugwe babatere kodithia kwina nandi response to the interlocutory applications irabo kuigwa kwegintu kwenda kurieria jegoro ndronere kwi mawakili baruga bate kwenda Law Society of Kenya kwegintu gitwa amicus curiae friend of the court nandi uyu mtura weja kureta weru kwi mtu keja ndronere wakili gutwa Kanjama agekira application ya amicus curiae ya experts badatu ba IT ntukuna biure bibingi mono bikwa raise petition ebiye technology nandi na kwenda antobo ba IT beja ba shed light eune manisha amicus curiae imtutuo kuja gutetheria court kuwata gintumbuka court iriatia you see courts are not experts nandi kwe mantu jamuna jo court nyage sheria umba kwa ati nona wona nandi nya Law Society of Kenya ikichwa guitonyithia area amicus curiae kutetheria court but court yongwa of its own motion kana na kwenda kwayo no isamo mtu ja attorney general ikadithia ikamusamon as amicus kwa biuria bira nandi inya bieye thirikari for example jana kwa arena some fracas nyana ara bomas na kwebiuria mbuga Supreme Court kuigwa ni kwenda Attorney General on behalf of the government nontutiro irigira Inspector General of Police are summoned in person has represented the office of the Attorney General and the court no imo summon kaneka muita nejeleze as a friend of the court mantuja mwenja gisheria na jangi jatija gisheria je githirikari. So okethera kwe barana ndiba file those applications wena kanya ga kurega kwe mwakili ndronere bakirega Law Society of Kenya much as twin the two members ku bateko LSK a part of it nonto I think omba ko mtu kara not sire either president of the LSK kana some of the officials have shown bias kana uka declare interest ya kuumba ku bring out some issues wakarajeka kwendeo kwegemea nandi no ona kwe antu nandi barega mantu jo nandi chu chigwetwa interlocutory applications nandi 8 days after that nandi robothitha ya pre-trial conference niona nandi pre-trial conference ni kuja ku confirm kila mtu ako petition timelines ichaere complied did they file on time mbere kambotagerwa yes they filed were the responses filed on time yes they have been filed ichekiri babange baguchokia nkuruki kwibo applications chi pending itathithwa kwi interlocutory applications chibatere chikupingwa kana mtu ikirete mairiria jau ja kutonyithwa ja amicus jareo then andi bakathithia pre-trial conference within those 8 days bakategera all those things are ready and then from there nandi petition ikathikirwa hearing ibatere kwambi immediately after pre-trial conference yambia then nandi bakathikira for a period of about another within period irawe court getikaniria nandi kwira ithaira baba ria wa ntuku ithatu bara bakwambia petitions chao then babangi bakaewa ntuku ijire then court kagani
wakili bere tutakiri kiri kuthikira ama I would wish to know to for example nonto watu irati mtu kathura bara kwenda ku petition kana respondent bara kwenda bachokia owo okawa nini ukwenda choki na nkareo chokia what might happen
you see the petition will go unopposed in respect of you to for example Raila rekira petition and then go kedho mtura chokia the petition would have been allowed as prayed yes irimanisho mtu kupinga maromba jawe kana iba gutikaniria nai
so
ika allowed igatumika kwa nandi itaira kisheria tuga inya formal proof ukomba kuona but instances witakarika omba kuona nandi court ki declare kauga ni nonto petition no monka still ethikirwe no monka directions ucha court cha go serve no monko prove you served mbere nandi beja ba prove ba servire baba bonde abararegera guchokia then petition ikathikirwa kawaida they present their case and alone no ira nandi itawa hearing of a formal proof ikumanisha kuthikira case we wenka gutena mtu gupinga bira ukuromba then petition igetikirwa unopposed
good now tuko inyanye itoweta chembere mwanga to Kenya pre-trial are they part of the 14 days irayamba the constitutional
ari cheda che within the first kuna period ya nyomore ko make sure that mantujo jokarika within the 14 days ikejana and after determination nonto iritana yana timelines 7 4 chagodithia bora and then itito and then monka 14 ino iwe ga tweak eventually monka twithiro determination ikeja around by 30th of September ari by 5th of September iroba kedra ande ba keja na the judgment so nandi period iwe 14 iri include monka date of hearing monka ko determine kuma nandi pre-trial monka rera determination
so 14 irambire na arua
ibatere kwambia na arua
not mandire yambare
ikiro court
ari immediately after nandi the 7 days cha dira or after declaration waja 7 days cha to make sure ugo file petition eku ugo make sure everything has been done then from there babatere kudwa nandi 14 chikambiria Quran monka egitarira 5th September ikedro egikinya so nandi butare kumadai monka 5th to the determination
so what will be happening on 5th
iro judgment batara kudwa ikithomo
the final
judgment then from there nande to amenya what the outcome is they can either dismiss or allow the petition as prayed betekeria mairereria ja any of the petitioners for example nontokuba muba kuga ja Raila aritia recount agachoka ungi na gwetia prayer ingi aritia nullification so in terms of drafting and it's a negative kind of drafting nonto omba otomba goitia nullification and then goitia recount in my way of understanding it's a dangerous way of tackling it nonto omba
bika kwere which other safe
ni kwenda kuria mbuga out the safe either to chokere kana itarwe
but Supreme Court ina power ya ku ask for a recount na ika verify nonto ibonete IBC ne supplied form 34 chionde cha all the constituencies nandi Supreme Court ina power kuga itotare kairi kana experts bao ba IBC bara baga appoint I mean ba Supreme Court bara baga appointed ba go through that record within by timelines urikanya ringi verwe do certain things within 2 days nandi bategere all those aspects chonde intobira bikonda gutarwa bitarwe and then nandi batara no baona if there was an error na the person who was declared was the wrong one. Supreme Court in a power could declare someone else. Yes.
Oh, you mean?
Yes.
No, but we so Raila Odinga nwe.
Yes. After the recount bedra kanawa Jakoya.
So no bauge, it's not this one, it's this one.
Yes. So they really have powers to cancel a declaration ya Chebukati.
We announce yes, so and so after the recount. But back when Nandi could the recount na back one the correct person who should have been declared was so and so Supreme Court in power could declare the correct winner.
Let me ask Wakili. So now kuke ya kwithirwa baka order recount recount je bati kubwithore after 5th no tukuona kumarwa ri mwanka 5th tuna kiume kimwe na ile ba rigiri kwithirwa ba itumiria so now recount je bati kubwithore in these 7 days.
Within these 7 days,
is it even heavenly possible?
It is possible nonto what happens is kiragitarawa in these aspects but tarati kura mwe baketho be scrutinize kaire 34 days. May you see bauga nurikana ki the previous declaration ya 2017 baugire the declaration at the tallying center is final. I mean the polling station.
Yes.
Nandi arage polling station ikwari na agents na forms ira chikia verified na vote ira chikitarwa ikwari na antubareo. So once they establish all those issues ira chikwa raised towards the actual ballots counting be raised to nonto ataka most of the petition Raila raise issues chakuga anga forms chia doctored anga different tabulations chaja posted on the portal mantu chajare jo ba raisaga nandi ukatagera ukona from that aspect boba bare tako issue from 34 ni oba gutako mono so nandi boba batere kuthwa betegera bira bakethwa betara. It's actually a very fast process. Nonto baga chokera nandi ko verify vote ire umeteke polling stations in all the constituencies chetu cha Kenya. Nandi it's a process bomba kwa jana nyaba kuga within 2 days. You see they put maximum hands on it. Realistically beura ya IBC what would it take to make sure ngogewe kodira. IBC ko kande turenda antongiri. Then the court yes.
Okay, so now Raila Odinga iromba ringirire naryo ni kithurano kichokerwe kithurano kichokerwa kutithirwa na bariwa batikwenda Chebukati ethirwo niwe chairman wa IBC. So now twina 60 days in case kithurano kikiagwithirwa kiachokerwa in these 60 days president nabati kuthura chairman yungi will he even have the powers?
No. You see, realistically, kuna process itherere kuita commissioners nyegi katiba. Either ukonani ya corruption, ukonani is incapable, incapacity mbuga kwa insane, kana kumandu, mantu jajara. Then there is a process aikairwa ekomurita. Utomba komurita tukemeru nonto muntu akuga muite. So realistically that is just next to impossible. Na period ya after if the nullification happens, tukerwa tuchokere within 60 days it's not possible nonto 60 days euchedo ache cha ku make sure ballots injero chikwa printed because what happens is in case of a runoff or you can ballots will have to be reprinted on the runoff in between and to buy the top contenders so you get to katiba ya jana a realistic period ya 60 days to make sure ballots na most of the time 100% of the time uteto printer ballots na onto for the sake of integrity conflict of interest nonto of course mtoro printer na ena mtu wako anda kuringira papers ira jai this time I think cha printer I think in Dubai and it chikinya go printwa within those 60 days and you're printing up to about maybe 20 something million nonto Twitter ira registered 22 million na nuntu ga print ora otuga ati nuntu tana utiari 14 million do print 14 ka do print 15 uga print anyone we on the register registered, and then ibonga ira small contingency ko make sure in case of
anything
nuntu no kumenya kuna aspect rengi umaira ya spoiled vote mtu akiringa kura aka notice akuandika mbaya akachoka kirini ni amwira mpaka karatasi kangi nuntu by law you are allowed to have kwa an extra ballot in case of spoil ara akyo tumbo chokera yo warukirie yo no itaona ndi ekwa rejected vote banandi before we line ni oka notice kuringa line ekumira make kumira ome kana kuringa jairi wachoka ora kura makaka akauga spoiled vote riwa kuna inkirengi so those timelines are difficult no moko make sure ukuraidiri
so now are we likely kuona repeat ya 2017 just in case Supreme Court ikiakuwa tuchokere kithurano na kiri romba ria Raila Odinga ni ati tuchokere kithurano Chebukati ya kethirwari chairman, so are we likely kuona repeat ya 2017 ati Raila Odinga ringia kare awita tebene watila wau tunavere nteto cia biashara tuchokere tejwe kaita kategori atu ina wakili Joel Mutuma Buria aitutariria nkurukiro ria ya bareri ki Supreme Court.
Thank you. Inya *812*976# wekira baba wetu jasikiza tune yeku.
Baba wetu uria uri iguru ritu ria kuria thurwe unene bwaku broeja wendi bwaku brothitha gwa nthiguru o ta uria buthitha gwa iguru twena ruebe kurebe gutungana turekere meje yetu o ta uria turekagira baria batuyagia ugatuikia magerione ende tuonoke kuma kiri uria mui ni kwithirwo nene inya na ukumio ni biaku Kenya na Kenya. Amen.
Inya *812*976# wekira baba wetu jasikiza tune yeku.
Twambiririe na ndigo na ndirikanaga tukithondeka dryer twathire ka dryer ka just 1 meter twauga tugerie tuone kana ikathate ikanyara na twekira ku ina tuona ukanyaria ndigo kumbe ni kunyara na ina murio na kuma une ndaragia na a few friends makambira actually Nairobi meusaga into ni sienda gwa kwa indi ndauma ndathinkinya Nairobi Parklands ndathindethira mwindi umwenda mwandi na tuligonyaritie tuligotutwethwa no all that no ugure kana wanona gintu takiu ndirikanaga ina ka grocery ambulia iko ngapi ndamwira 12 ambulia unaweza pesa ngapi na mwa 50 akiambia leta yote leo kuma ungine enuka tugentu kiambia tuambirie gushughulika mauntu ma cabs muntu wa cabs yagosa no ntu twaina karum kanini muno gantaka atwirire muntu au ni bwambagiria customer agendaga akandingira thimu akambulia ni kwenda ngwase kana no nyaririe nkamwira nkageria ndanyaria nkona ikunyara kamwira namubiri akambira quality ri sawa leo ugu ne twambiririe ndigo twathi maembe customer awetia ngwase twathi mianga twathi ikwa twathi mirenge
mubango jwa nkatha cietu ureterine yetu sako nieza na gotungata kiria biashara gukurukira gukiria biashara uguraniri bwa miunda na ngare na kinya uthurania bwa mbesha nja gwaku na kiria biashara. Yetu sako, your success our pride.
Twarairie mantujegie wendo mantujegie mukuru na mwekuru anabare
kwi mwari utega ukathugani wa ifumatiru na tegwa ifumatiru
na kinya anabanthaka
muntu ucio na bati kumenya purity ugwinya ingo gimbio ita omba kwitho nyotiringithagia muthetu nomba kwitho imwe kurwo kuri magucwa
ni ntuku cionthe cia Jumatano gwatanirite na Mama Digital kwambiria themwe itigania na dakika 15 mwanka themwe na dakika 20. Better Purity nguta tugwatanirite na Mama Digital kiri mubango jotwari uma tarwa.
Rito mbito makajweri ngugeje yakwa ndakarija kambere ndari talented nawe kumanya ndi mwana jonto kijande primary ndagire kuthiri tundoto jwa kali ndathire tundoto jwa kali antu batwenda muno nturene so ndona na kipao kio kuthani na jwa kali ndene yakwa ai ngugindere je monoje jonto bombere jakone karibuega ndi nana na bakho karibuega batoma bwega so ngugindere na njira nyingi muno muchiadi na tegere ona kwanza ngugenda tonyera ya kwevya jaya tumanya enda kanada chinjo rimwe na untu bwa ndene yakwa ritangoge
Twitter ikonde
It's our beef, burger and chips, chicken legs.
Ombe kuthirio bia kubia nguku au we biashara eno.
Ndio twathomithia course ya spinning.
Ni mwari wa mbere ndene ni wa gwita ruraya.
Ni cute. Yani alapre. Kundueria.
Ali baite. Ali.
Nandi no uchionerenda gukenera mibango ina mwago na nkanya amona nteto chia Weru TV Kirizuku Channel 39 Uma mundune Weja Werune na Weru TV Rumuri Duamiro
FM 96.4 Rumuri Rwa Amiru.
inya irunga matha ithatu ciarukirite na mbere na rwaria iguru ria Igamba Ria Ithurano twina wakili Joel Mutuma Buria agitutariria mantu ja jonthe jama tuna arua wakili unajua matu amejua Mika Skuria
Ya revile najisikia la section hapa.
Umebakisha hivi fungua advocate. Yachongea ndula.
Yachongea advocate.
Kimekeke on the madu ndio mawakili. Mande sisi wote ni majaji. Okay, huyo korete wakili.
Yes, wakili, what ni biomba possibly ku happen. For example, koti kia kuwa tekato chokera kithurano na to change commissioners, not even one.
Within 60 days kithurano kairi oroka igwa tukwenda ku participate ja last time kura iringwa kairi tu nto you see these are strict timelines ikia tumiona nya Chebukati nto kuna aspect uchikumira on that fateful day nto eri ntukwe muthia kware ko kuna ibokuwa bakiuga kwa 27 constituencies itaete declared kana ibari botara re one of the commissioners etete kutangaza kwa fracas. Now Chebukati in his own wisdom after fracas kuthira aigua atia nya chitarono nto time runs and you see area atia igakuruki even by 1 minute kwa ja kuma constitutional crisis.
Wait, the 27 constituencies
yes
niti ya verify tukaitatumiri tu
igotomeri yake but otinoge katiba kana ke sheria ekuga ati no monka itomerwe chionde at Bomas. It is just for
as
accountability as long as it is verified and confirmed it is correct. Kirage ati yake kuga this 27 ronanga bomachoke anga na batatangazite of all those 27 ikumaanisha tu is a process of integrity. What would happen is Chebukati atuma area kirage atumirwa gigaitia screen naona unkona one of the commissioners akiuganga those 27 itarinyachi kwa verified, but the truth of the matter is icharichi kuthiria ngugi no gataka ki responses ira IBC ekirite ne supply tenya form 34As and form 34Bs cha those constituencies itaetenya itaeta declared but kisheria utunwe kugati no monka cha tarwa na area bomas declaration ethi. The only role ya area bomas is for the IBC chair to make sure kuthithia the final nuntu katiba yuga the final declaration should be made by the chairman of the commission,
who is the national returning officer.
Who is the national returning officer na ndi uniongu gewe actually nyare amua ni uratu to avoid tension e yuma no kana ore kivuito 2007 arungamira uga I don't know who is the winner kwa avoid mantu chauri ketumiona tugeta step by step every constituency
as part of transparency
kwa commissioners baba na baba kuga batatu eka involved kire the final results are baba na betre outside better president they don't matter in this case.
And those are some of the issues that tukwenda Supreme Court determine nonto watega katiba iruga the commission shall tally verify but the declaration shall be by the
national returning officer with the chairman.
And the commission you see the commission doesn't mean it is just the 4 commissioners. The returning officer ke polling station is also a commission. Is also part of the commission. IBC. Yes. The county returning officer, the constituency returning officer is also part of the commission. So nande antobobo ndi popa go form commission. Does it mean that because these 4 are not involved, the commission is not in nande man yure biwo to bate
ko tayari record
including presiding officer inyawe part of the commission. You see the commission is the commission, it's a body. The commissioners you got the commission. So Chebukati agaichi da ugeatire oni the documents ira ndaeja wa kwe anto ba verify ga bomas and you saw them and they verified and they gave me the verification. I was declaring the final results from the form 34As. May see kiuria kira the biggest question ira everyone akedwa akiurwa at the polling station when counting was being done, you had agents. Did your agent sign form 34As? Iba signire. Aya each of form 34As cha the entire country. Tuonieni kedwa nonto kuimwa kuona ki response cha William Ruto okwithira akiuga inya kwina faking of form 34As. Imochika altered deliberately to mislead the court. Na kuona ni jaira chiete altered. So that question will arise for the court to scrutinize. Yone form 34 is zira cha postroge poto ontonya poto log zira chikaretwa versus ira chi genuine chionanui. Then do they match na physical? If they match, then and your agents were present and signed, where is the dispute arising from? Nandi nongo kwera in terms of mbuga issues cha counting and tallying technicalities nandi jai was the voice of the 4 commissioners important towards the final declaration. Technicalities icho nandi na counter accusations icha kuganga Chebukati anga aguitanguge wenka. Those are issues running kuigwa are just technicalities which also can form weighty issues nonto ndenda kuigwa monora court ka determine kuga if indeed final tally ego kinyiro yegitara ko declare Chebukati agota commissioners akubera nyo birambitete ko declare barugo bakauga commission is made up of 8 of 7 4 bakuraga najo, so it means majority. They are majority too. But the question is are they for the will of the people? Nandikiko kuria kira kote koria should if the chairman is about to declare results orachiete tallied, can the 4 tell the chairman do not declare this? Meaki ukyo kuria but atu haringa kura then to haringa kura ira to haringa
kitakurikirwa kura ringi
kuringirwa kura kaire. So nande tuge yes ni hiyo kinya egitara ko declare na Chebukati is about to declare. The 4 are telling him don't declare. The majority have said don't declare of the commissioners. Then that's about subverting the will of the people.
Now, wakili okuweta mantu ya integrity kilirwariro. Eoro, tujunara wire ati na trimanire na commissioners ba, of which of course kinya commissioners ba kiri affidavit yo, wite ati ni ba trimanire na ntoba, but who know wabati kutrimana na commissioners? Is it Tuju urani executive director okiama kana ni agents bakiama, as you know?
Of course, ikwari na chief agent. Every candidate, presidential candidate, had a chief agent. Kwe ogo to Kanchori, kama wari wa Raila. I think it was Kindiki. Then I think this lady Veronica Maina. Ibo bari chief agents bandengi. Now, what should have been happening? Nonto such meetings, icho chiku raise issues irenyo kugua Moses Kuria raise petition. Nonto the Supreme Court also has jurisdiction ekuga anyone who are involved ke electoral irregularity kana malpractice kana inya violence eka order DPP to arrest and charge. Na inaona uko na petition ya Moses Kuria unio target nonto kuga fracas ira ya umaniria nonto it's on record ya umaniria na Badledama na that Kanchori. So if one candidate is found culpable of election malpractice kana offenses, court no declare inyo tabatere kuudhwa inya urungi kana utumba kurunga makairi.
So now kiri utirimana kwa commissioners bana bara file Tuju makosa no trace kire ke integrity ya
mono actually na ugataka inyani ni ya because affidavit ya Chebukati is quite weighty. No gonna raise issues cha intimidation and I think moving forward as a country no monka ontononere kamimka ka vironka ka IBC returning officers okoru akethwa wenda kurungwa returning officer kana uka hug lion ngatonyi ona mtu amera akihag ngatonyi amera buju
ndonera makinga kwa commissioner kana kutangoge IBC should be included ki 1000 ways to die
na ndo waraidherio kona moving forward aspects each on the kethwa no kuona mtu ja monka IBC chairman na raise issues chenya security of his life. Those are weighty issues to debattere as a country kwetho to ignore kenda even in future to tuije kedra these are an independent process government that is in place etebattere kwetho in so much influence over that commission to independent electoral and boundaries nombere independent so kuigwa ati kwe inyanga inspector general of police anga kweta kumona anga kana Batuju anga Bogeto anga bao that should not even feature na inyami madhaja kuja kweta kuona nanto da kenda chotuku. So you can hear all those issues yucho tubatere kwa tuwe career against na kugada against some of these issues ira chumba kutuma ndi kuruika ke attention na riro era ombare akwa nonto some of these affidavits inyabu ke media bora iderie mono but etegeje ku raise tension nonto no kuona counter accusations each ya kuona ni the play that behind the scenes was happening no cause tension, but I'm happy Kenyans be mature na inkuona so far antu baragiro baigwa Ithurano is a process na ya antu kwemwe
maturity ri wakili leo cut you short kidogo akenya baringire kura na for the first time gutora kwena ka incident ka violence people have moved on ukaria mwana nchi kwera sisi tumeendelea na maisha, the economy is tough court inataka ira mantu jamoja sasa ikigita igamba maybe
court is also human actually ni uragwa ba tutenda ku bring out some aspects so much they are also human beings they can read the mood on the ground is the country ready nonto you can imagine the amount of money that will go into another election to the tune of billions. Are we ready? Do we have that muscle? Becheira teka abachire ikwa towards reduce the cost na reduce the cost of unga, the cost of fuel, subsidies uche jana ke baraba ko supply into bibia mauta kenana ndimbe chira china inama. So the court ne reader the mood on the ground. Also need from my own perspective, we were among the few countries, I think at most mugaino inya chianalify Ithurano presidential. We want to form a precedent of being
every other time
the first country to nullify twice consecutively. So inya ngo tagera uni aspect. Unto you see also tutakwenda ku set a bad precedent ya every time kuna election itoko dispute na itokwenda ku nullified tumeithia as an election cycle kenana karumenyeria muturago akarais nya 2027 unge akaumira akiuga na yetu kenande history ebuga nullified twice
Ithurano bili you know. But then other than that, Wakili, you know, how about justice ya petitioner? As much as tukua well mood itukwenda there, yeah, that is okay. Mbechini bati kwethro itumirwa ukiri uchumi kidogo, that is okay. But how about justice ya petitioner?
Petitioner nyona na rights nike tumekuga the good thing about the court is itagaira issues chionde na petition ile chika broken down into grounds with reba kuraithira ile chikuraise issues chalo chikwambire kwata called technical issues chikwata called no tukuma bakuga anga declaration ya thithiru na certain way tabatera kuthithu ojo kwebange bakuraise issues cha commission itare na quorum does that count and the issues which on the chika broken down and then she tackled in that way then these petitioners and everyone will be given time yao ya kucheleza so everyone's rights ikathikirwa irethro ibaba ikirita cross petition ba Moses kuri nyabo bathikirwa issues wa ku raise cha insecurity on the IBC chikathikirwa then commission nyawe kathikirwa ikaja na evidence yao kuona why they declared that way. The other commissioners, the four, baraba kugenya barombera IBC ba representation barega, they had to look for their own means to make sure they were represented in yabo bakathikirwa. So all those aspects will arise and the court will make an informed determination. Nige tumiona nande most of the time court ile itemeka one judgment bayajana kwera dissenting opinion baraba tukutekaniria bakaejana yao na bange so and then the majority of course ibo nandie jawa the final judgment ile
so now this is where the majority counts
nandie no majority will count kama na ikia tumeona kwa kuna an even number kenda reo the kwithwa kwe itikethro even ntomba kwithwa mba kwithwa 4-4 ikareta another stalemate
so now Wakili these 7 days are they enough kimanto yayo ndeno ntungu kwana kwirutero moyo na mawakili 54 antoba wewe imbi bakari bonde kotini na rutero ngi nyaro na mawakili bo amounting to tens so na kwina amicus curious ba kwina
yani so mwananchi nyano chira ba bonde bathikiro ate
what is the process
normally ke pre-trial conference niona ndibaganagia ntuko for example kedra within the 7 days to ikerwa hearing proper ebatere kukarika within let's say 3 days kenana ndimbuga ba judges time so they will plan and they will pre-trial no ba planaka mbaku petitioner kwa 2 days respondents ba kwa 1 day that means 2 days uche include ntukwe kuthikiro eko present case eku ntukwe respondent kuchokia na ntukwe kuthithira itawa rejoinder ntu after waitoko je no moko pachokia bila bo raise the new issues you have raised and then from there nande court ikathikira ikanenka na madha ki the amicus ikanenka na madha ki the other petitioners kwa bamunyambo mba kwenda kumbuka kwa kanya ku bakero petition quiz related to this and this but okay probably nya 1 hour kana nya 30 minutes what are your issues you're raising kwa bara ba petition ate kwenda kwa represented ako chi represent kedra arenda kurunga ma nona nya gitarire ako challenge BBI nona kwa bara in person na baeja just about 20 so kaeja compressed nonto kwa issues uchi kwa rise irana the court of its own motion as the case is progressing yumba kuigwa neko ni dekarika in between court no interject ikauga boku raise a certain issue na this side other side has raised that issue itoeja ne period ya inyatuge less than 5 hours or a day ku confirm kana mantu jaja karika court yomba kureka process we kathira before the judgment is done bakauga ketho recount eu ni thithwe kana ndi tugwata report twinde and then boga chokwa court and then after nande you are all satisfied judgment ikete kathomo so within those 7 days either way mantuja marathon yongwa literally nonto between now and 5th no monka judgment constitutionally within 14 days kuma from the date of filing period igwatane on the from date of filing within 14 days no monka mantu jojo nda jojo kuthira.
Wow.
So by 5th no monka tu tuna judgment. Na yo nyawe gakuruka an extra day after constitutional crisis.
Wow. Thank you Wakili. Thank you so much. Yani hii kizungumkuti.
Ndenda kumenya Ria Wakili. Yes. In the case kukiakuwa ni maybe a recount ya kura hii. Who will provide workforce? Ni IBC, ni thirikari, ni koti?
Are kawaida of course IBC no ka provide workforce but with the supervision of officials of the court. So court okethira yuga na ndija thai kutho kuna bara betho be administrators ba court beto deputy registrars betho be ba high court gwitia kana executive officers betho be icha lower court omba kugwa court kiuga na ndi kwaja na deputy registrars bonde ba milimani kana bandeu bete ba oversee. And you see what happens is a process. Beta tubake rura form after form, form after form. So ikethroe nguge gwitanirwa amwe IBC plus, not of course takantu baba menya ina form ibire. So they have to be guided by the IBC but nandi kethwa scrutiny ne kuthithwa na inya these parties bongo ba filete baeja wakanyaga ku appoint their own officials. Kethwa Raila Odinga ki process we kwa recounted akeroi court give us two Ruto give us to any other party urawe involved give nande kethro process ekukarua ianto baba ingi but IBC kethwa no ko redo the process kairi.
Thank you so much Wakili nontoba kuona kanya.
Thank you
at least tumejua 1 2
atafungua macho
Wega sana muthikiri wega sana mutegeri wa Weru TV Igamba Ria Ithurano ratwetere tone ura mantu ja kethro jageta na mbere tugushokira utura rungi mubango jo kogo kiajo kethajo kiendele.